Welcome to this quick video guide on SPADE in FCS Express 6. SPADE is a visualization and clustering tool that accomplishes two main goals. It clusters the data into groups based on their location in the multidimensional space, and it reduces the dimensionality of the clusters for visualization purposes. If you want to calculate SPADE on your sample, you have to first open the transformation dialog and to select SPADE from the drop-down menu. The SPADE dialog will open. Select the template file, select the parameters that you want to include in your SPADE transformation. Note that for each of them you will be able to select a scale. Optionally, select a gate of interest, and then specify the options that will be used to perform the k-means clustering. Thus, the number of clusters, in this case we will generate 50 clusters, the maximum number of iteration, and the minimum % of cells per each cluster. Finally, specify the option that will be used to perform the density-dependent downsampling. You can either specify the density percentile or specify the sample size. In this case, the density percentiles will be automatically calculated by the software. In our example, we will use the specify density percentile option, so we will check this checkbox. To access the results of your SPADE transformation, you will need to insert an heat map in your layout. This message just tells you that the SPADE transformation is not applied yet on the heat map. To apply the SPADE transformation, simply drag and drop it from the transformation dialog on top of the heat map. This is the results of your transformation. Note that each node is colored based on a statistic, and the statistic is reported on the y-axis. You can change the parameter the statistic is calculated on just by clicking on the y-axis and selecting a new parameter. In this case, you can see that these 4 nodes contains CD4 expressing cells. In order to create gates on those 4 nodes, just select the well gate from the gating tab of the ribbon bar and draw a gate around these 4 nodes. Set a name, a color, and check whether you want to emphasize those events on plots. While the Editing New Well Gates dialog is open, you can add or remove additional nodes just by clicking on them while pressing the Ctrl button on your keyboards. Press close when you've done. To show the well gate that you have just created, right-click on the heat map, select Show Gate, and click on the gate of interest. If you want to back gates on a standard plot, please just apply the SPADE transformation on top of that plot. Also, if you want to retrieve statistic, just right-click on that plot and select Statistic, Gate Statistic. SPADE can also be run on merged files. In this example, 8 samples have been merged in a single file, and SPADE has been run on it. In order to separate each of the 8 different samples, a gate can be drawn on the file identifier parameter and then applied to the SPADE tree. Alternatively, you can do the same by opening an heat map depicting the classification identifier, creating a well gate, and then applying the well gate on top of the SPADE tree. To learn more on file merge, please refer to our manual or to the file merge quick video guide.